Good morning! So, today is January 18 and it's what time?
8:24. 5 seconds.
a.m. So, we're heading to breakfast. And gusto namin kumain ng fluffy na pancake. So, meron dito sa Tenjin. 11 minutes walk. So, we'll walk there. And our OOTD. You see our OOTD Milo. There we go. Nice outfit. And Ma.
Yeah, wearing my favorite color.
And Dad. What about me? Show my OOTD. There you go. Just against the light.
Yep, against the light. Ayun!
OOTD, anak. This is skirt and the knitted. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is the neighborhood in the morning. Ayan. So, maglalakad lang kami. Papunta dun sa pancake. 11 minutes away. Ang cute yung bahay na yun. Diba, no? Ito yung hotel namin. Again. Chirin. Okay, let's walk. Ito yung parang bahay na nakakatakot siya. Ayun nga pala, mag-ano nga pala. Ayan. Let's do a walking tour. Ito naman yung bahay na to. Medyo pa-horror. Pa-horror na siya. Maring. Ito cute. Ito cute naman. Sobrang cute. This is us walking in the morning. Going to breakfast. 11 minutes away lang yung fluffy pancake. No noise. Parang N-O-O-I-C-E yung spelling niya. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung ano. Ay, may French bar. French bar. Kato. Ang daming bar dito sa area namin. Pero yung mga aesthetic na bar. Diba nakita nyo naman kagabi? Ayan. Vendo. Vendo, Vendo. Caught my attention. There is a vending machine for gyoza. Look. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, it is amazing. So this is it. We found it. It's called Noise Food and Coffee. Very, very cozy place. So we're gonna have pancakes here. Huh? Let's take a picture, Dad. We're here now. We found the place. This is the menu. Noise. Let's check the menu.
The fish and chips. Wow, fish and chips order Cajun or fish and chips.
Ayan. So,
Ito yung fish.
yun yung mga ano nila. Food. And this is, ito yung mga drinks. Ayan, coffee.
Apple.
Ito yung recommendations nila. Oh my gosh, Dad, can you get it, please?
Okay, chicken parmesan.
Okay, so this is the recommendation. So I'm craving for pancake, so we're gonna go pancake.
What are your order?
Here na inside. And no noise. Hindi ko alam kung anong pagpikas ito.
Long black ka.
Long black. So, order na kami. Long black. Hello. So, Dad's coffee is here na. It's long black. with dark roast. Here's Milo's drink. It's a hot matcha latte. Looks good. Okay. That's Milo's matcha. How is it, baby? How is it? Is it good? Yeah, you like it. Drink, it's a cappuccino. Sarap lang. Sige ma. So nice. Love it. Meron ako hinay. Nakapakalayang haluin. So nice. So creamy. Is it really hot? At our food, this is the cream cheese brulee pancake and apple pie. Ang ganda ng presentation mo. And the matcha. And the parmesan. Chicken parm.
Sit.
Okay. Crispy. Gosh. Meron sa loob.
Milo, look.
It's like there's matcha inside. About you, Ma?
Yeah.
This one is crispy. And then yummy, yummy. It's here.
Why are you using the knife?
But I do this one naman. Pero
About you, Dad?
so yummy. You get it here. Get here.
It's so good. Tastes like matcha. About you, baby? How's your parm?
I will try to check. I want to try to do this.
It's good. Where? Inside?
Inside.
Can you see? Can you turn that plate?
I ate one na kanina.
How was it, baby? It's good? Yeah. Okay, it's Mom's turn. Okay, I'm going to try na. Can you video me pala? Hindi ako kita. Alright. Let's try this. Oh, it's hard. It's hard. Oh, it's squeezing. Look at that. And let me try one. One bite. So good. Ano to? This is ice cream.
Ice
no?
cream.
It's sour with the lemon. What about this one? Try.
How much Michael ice cream?
Matcha. Parang Tokyo matcha. Try ko nga tong matcha. Can I have some of that? Bibidyo mo. I just want about this one. I'll try it. How's them? Okay na lang, thank you. How's the food?
Good.
Sir? Very good. Look, nakakita kami ng traditional house. May traditional na pinto. Para kung nasa K-drama din. Hehehehe. So, pupunta kami ng Gundam. Alright, so we're ready. Where are we going, anak?
Gundam Side F.
Gundam Side F. So, yun yung merong malaking Gundam. Right?
Yep.
Okay. So, we're going there.
Walk. Di ba mag-walk?
So, yung mga puno, since tapos na yung autumn, ayan na, wala na sila mga dahon. Hindi na natin sila naabutan. Hi! Sobrang cute ng mga dog. Ang dami namin nasasalubong. Ayan, o, kalbo na lahat ng puno. Pero ang maganda, ang linis. Kahit wala, di ba, anak, hindi ka makakita ng mga kalat-kalat na, na dahon. No? So clean here. We love it here. Do you love Fukuoka, anak?
Yes.
No? Yeah. Must visit. Let's go. Okay, so nakarating na kami dito sa Yakuin Station. So akit kami dyan. Tignan nyo, may KFC. Anak, tinan mo, parang ang sarap ng KFC, oh. Parang ang sarap ng KFC. Nung menu. Akit kami dyan to go to Gundam. What is it? Okay, we're going up na sa Nishitetsu line. Okay, bibili kami ng ticket going to, ayun, no, makikita nyo dyan kung magkano yung babayaran nyo. Yan. Tapos kung saang station, yun yung babayaran nyo dito. Yan. So dito na tayo sa waiting na tayo ng train. Ito parang LRT na sa atin. Ganito ba itsura ng LRT sa atin?
Hindi naman. Otita.
Please ride on the bullet train. Parang ganito. Parang bullet train ito eh.
No, it's not. Hi, cutie.
Hi.
Doon daw tayo. Let's follow the leader. Ganda dito sa mga traditional na mga local train. Ito yung mga gusto kong sinasakyan. Mga old school na train. May anytime fitness dito. It's not that mag-gym tayo, pero FYI lang. Dito kami ngayon sa bus. So, bus station. Sasakay kami ng bus number 3 to Lalaport, Fukuoka. Dito tayo sa dalawahan. Milo, get the orange, ticket from the orange box. There you go.
Only one?
Did you get one, Milo? Dito ka, ma. Milo, doon ka kay daddy.
Wait.
So we're here now sa bus. Ito yung parang ticket pag magpapas. Hi. Milo. Ma. Okay, so ang ending po, nag-taxi din kami. Kasi mali yung sinakyan namin bus. Anyway, at least na-experience ang bus.
Yeah, experience.
Yeah. Milo.
Hi.
Ayun na si Ganda. I'm so excited. Are you happy, baby?
Yes, of course. But
Put,
why wouldn't I
put
be?
down the shades so you you don't get
tried
Dad, are you excited too, Dad? Oh my gosh. That's a Gundam. Oh. Okay, so we are now here at Lalaport. Ayun na si Gundam. Meron ditong mga I don't know, what's that? So, ayan na siya. Oh my gosh. Ayan siya, up close and personal.
May doon na picture
Ayan na siya, si Gundam. Sakto may GU doon. So, punta kami doon mamaya. Okay, so gusto niya munang pumasok dito sa Gundam Park. I don't know, what's this? Oh, there's store na. Sa store na pala. Ano, may mga toys na. May mga merch. Okay, so we're going closer to this Gundam. New Gundam. Ano to, anak? New, yeah, new Gundam.
Yung sa back, long range, fin funnel, paano sabihin?
His back?
At the back, yeah.
Yeah. Long what?
Fin funnel.
Fin funnel. What does it do?
Basically, it's like, honestly, like beam. It's just like a long range na beam.
How it's a
Because like on the regular version, it's like ano. Possibly it's more defensive. That was like that one's like more long range and attack.
That one at the back though. Okay, so let's so this is 2026 1:30. Oh, there's a road show on January 30, but we're not here anymore.
Yeah, that's
Look at that. So big.
Oh my days.
Yeah, very detailed, no?
Yeah.
Look at the toes. Ang ganda ng mga pastries, grabe. Ang ganda ng mga croissant. Parang drawing lang sila. Grabe, ang ganda ng tinapay, no? Mama, ang ganda ng tinapay nila. Okay, ano pa? Ayan, so we have to go here. Fourth floor, Gundam Park. Okay, let's go. Here. I'll go up na. Excited na yan siya. Mag-shopping ng toys. Ito na po ang Gundam Side F Fukuoka. Picture din siya. Milo, picturean ka ta? Oh, let's go in. Di ba dito muna yung daan? Saan ba yung daan? Okay, so ito na ang mga pag-Gundam. Picture siya. Ang ganda na. What's this, oh? Sold out. Ito talaga ang pinunta namin dito sa Fukuoka. Kasi itong baby na to na nagkakamot ay sorry. Gusto niya na, ayan, Gundam side, Fukuoka. Oh, there's like simulation, oh. I'll go take a picture.
This is what I was trying to find when we were in the Philippines.
Which one? That one? Oh, the unicorn?
Hainu.
Hainu pala.
Oh, unicorn.
Gundam side, F1. Anak, make sure you're getting it clear, ha? Clear. Happy? Happy baby. What are those, like, the chunky yellow things?
Ito yung supposed to be in the...
Oh, Aziro.
Aziro? Yeah, Aziro.
Okay. So where are we going now?
We'll go into...
Gundams? Okay, go.
Ito na yung kids. These two, I've got in mind already. I'm still gonna explore because, of course.
These are merch. May lolo ko, you want a mug? You want a mug, no? Nice. For your, milk.
Yeah.
Look at this, oh. No?
Yun ay ito eh. Yung ito.
Ayan yun.
Tapos ito, yun.
Okay. Let's do a quick OOTD.
There's so much I could get. But I still have to myself. Ayun na sabihin ng Pimbantay. Ganyan na color, Pimbantay.
What's that?
Premium Bandai.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You have this na, no? The Banshee.
Banshee, yeah.
Yeah. And the Zeta.
Zeta, I don't have the Zeta.
I don't have the
I
Zeta.
have the new.
I have the new. Where's the new?
B.
Okay.
Ba't lang doon? Anong size? This one lang.
Yung, ito, yung ganito.
Oo.
Tapos, sabi na.
You have the gold na, no? That one, no?
That one, the Yakushi.
Yeah. You have this na, no? And
Yeah.
then this one.
This is a different version, the Verka. I have the regular version.
The Banshee.
Yeah. Ito, I don't have yet. This one and that one.
Okay.
So I think I've decided
So which one?
I might get an M. Wait,
I think you need to get a basket or what.
that's the problem.
Yeah, get a basket. Grab a basket. So we're buying here na.
Yeah.
Okay.
How many?
2 or 3.
So ayun na po ang damages niya, 2 box. And kuha pa siya ng kuha pa siya ng isa, diba? How many will you buy?
3.
3. Okay. Nasaan na yung isa? Okay. At Baby Love.
Meron din siya lang. RX-93 no Gundam, tapos
RG, pareho.
RG. Pareho RG. RG Sazabi and RG no.
Okay. Gundam Park. Adi, anong papaputain? Sila ditong Gundam Park. Let's check anong meron sa loob. Pero parang madaming mga games na mga Gundam eh. Let's see. I'll take your picture here first at the wall. Ay, Milo, here. Picturean kita. May ano, oh. May date. You go there. Dali. Dad, picture dito, oh. May date. Break time with our favorite drink. We got the Pikachu.